like you do. We were chilling under the palm tree,